I've spent the last 40 years studying drugs, and I had the experience of leading a clinical trial with Gemzar, which is used in the treatment of pancreatic cancer. So when I was diagnosed, it was totally shocking. My name is Marty Hynes. I live in Carmel, Indiana, and I am 74 years old. My wife told me I looked yellow, and I knew that was not a very good sign. So I did a number of blood tests. Unfortunately, since it was in the middle of COVID, it was hard to find a free scanner. Finally, we found one of the hospitals that would take me, and the scanner showed a tumor on my pancreas. I certainly knew the statistics, and I knew I was in for the fight of my life. Probably the moment of hope was when I first met the surgeon, who was assuring me that this was operable without any significant problem. We would do adjuvant and neoadjuvant chemotherapy before surgery and after the surgery. I try to be an active part in my treatment. I've been a lifelong researcher. I had an opportunity to lead the clinical trial group treating pancreatic cancer in the Japanese population. So the physicians, they've actually been very, very good at allowing me to bring my background in the process. We've continued to do very aggressive follow-up, looking every 3 months for a reoccurrence. You have a variety of feelings as you go through this. You feel pretty isolated when you're in that hospital room all by yourself. But knowing that there was a tremendous amount of support coming from family and friends, that was the most gratifying. We have a very close family, and they were incredibly supportive throughout this journey. I am very encouraged by the work that is going on. The treatments are getting better. The numbers are currently showing improvements, so there's definitely hope for patients. We just need to increase the amount of research that's going on. We need to increase the funding from a federal perspective, and we need to encourage pharmaceutical companies to continue to explore pancreatic cancer as a disease target, as well as encouraging scientists to go into this field and to make a difference. Currently, I teach at Purdue University to encourage young students to go into pancreatic cancer research. This is obviously a difficult journey, but there are people out there to support you. Every time one of the Let's Win publications shows up, that's the first thing I look at. I read all of the content, I look at the videos. I think I have watched every survivor video. It just provides me a better perspective, which helps me better navigate my journey. But also, as I talk to other pancreatic cancer patients, it helps me better understand where they are and what support I can provide for them. I think as you go through this journey, it reminds you that we are all mortal. And so I think it does help you focus on what is truly important in your life, which is family and friends.